So HPE's vision is to create an edge-to-cloud platform as a service where we actually solve our customer business problems, where the customer's data and infrastructure lies everywhere. The genesis of HPE, or Hewlett Packard Enterprise, started a few years ago when we split from HPE Inc. Today, Hewlett Packard Enterprise's major focus is hybrid IT and edge networking. As HPE, we committed that we will be offering everything we have as a service. We are executing to that vision. Our customers are aspiring to get in a public cloud, and our goal is to bring that experience, that simplicity and the ease of use on-prem, and to drive that truly transformational experience for our customers. GreenLake Central is our platform for driving the GreenLake experience. Think about it as a way by which our customers will consume every service we launch. And identity kind of becomes the backbone for a lot of these things. We are trying to be that global, as a service platform in terms of driving all these services. So for us to be able to map out and make sure that identities and accesses are pretty controlled and privileged is very, very important. We have to make sure that we have the right identity structure to be able to scale. So suddenly an application may have 100 users in public cloud, tomorrow they may have 10,000. Initially, when we looked at identity, it's a natural tendency for our teams to say, we can build anything, right? But it's important to understand what's core, what's context. Identity is key, but it is still contextual. There is probably a whole list of things why we picked Okta, but I would probably say top of my mind was probably multi-tenancy. Basically, being at the cutting edge of this is important because, like I said, it's not something core to our value proposition. Lastly, having an ability to federate across these multitude of services, which is very key for us. So the deployment timelines we had were pretty aggressive. We basically wanted to bootstrap everything we have and bring in existing GreenLake customers into the environment within a quarter. And we were able to do that in actually 60 days. For us, the success is when customers like that start adopting more and more GreenLake, because that gives them the flexibility. They shouldn't be going to 7 pages and putting in different credentials. And so to me, that seamlessness of federation is absolutely important for us to drive their experience. They should just log in with the credentials they are, and we should do all the authentication in the back end, give them the right access to right services. That's the seamless experience you can expect.